Cosmic Healing Tribe and Cosmic Defenders Collective. Welcome to the Astrology and Tarot vlog for August 8th, 2020. So today we are in fiery Aries. And when the moon is in Aries, we are focused on our body, our brand, our headspace, which means how we're thinking, what action is happening from that electric energy of the I am going to do what I need to do. And here we are really brought today to really look at what we are defining and how we're defining what we need to do from our place of healing. We have today the moon is in conjunction to Chiron. And when the moon is conjunct Chiron, we are very aware of our pains. We're very aware of the things that have happened in this lifetime and past lifetimes that have made us decide the I am that's going to come into the world. It's a shadow day. Remember, we are after that full moon, so we are going towards that dark moon, and where we are really saying to ourselves, and what do I need to release to let my I am come out? And is the I am that's here the I am that's who I want to be, or is this the I am that is a result of ceilings and fear and saying, I am going to heal myself, though I am going to get all of myself? And we have the moon quintile Chiron. And quintiles, I'm a big fan of quintiles because quintiles encourage you to become creative, to play with time, to play in this situation because it's Saturn, to play with time, to play with structure, to play with how you are using your day-to-day activities, your engagement and your responsibilities to heal yourself. It's because we are shifting from a world where our responsibilities have been defined externally. I have to make this boss happy. I have to make my family happy. And we are more and more coming to this awareness of, but it's also my responsibility to heal myself. It's my responsibility to invest in myself. It's my responsibility to make the I am come into fruition. And so the moon is in a semi-sextile to the Uranus today, later this afternoon. And this isn't, and once Uranus is in the mix, there's a wild card, right? There's going to be unexpected communications, unexpected events, unexpected encounters. But with the semi-sextile in the mix, it's so that you can see a new way, see a new perspective, connect outside of the old structures of I am not going to be this, right? Yes, the law of contract is important, that you do need to be clear about what you don't want, but you still need to look at what you don't want and make sure that it's in a place of progressive healing versus denial, stopping, no, right? Say yes to yourself. Say yes to being exploratory of your feelings and of the words and the possibilities that you can manifest when you let your heart be free. Now, we do have a square to Jupiter that's building throughout the day. And this is a very interesting energy because with Chiron in the mix and we're having all these deep feelings, Jupiter is a bit of a partier, right? Jupiter can, if you aren't very mindful of the energy, can be like, you know what, forget it. I'm just going to party. I'm just going to go over the board. I'm going to desensitize. But remember, this is Jupiter in retrograde. And Jupiter in retrograde is like, but let's rethink this. Let's allow ourselves to experience pleasure and joy without abandonment, without disassociation, with mindfulness, with your heart still in the mix. And that's why the card, the Knight of Wands, appears yet again. We have the Knight of Wands earlier this week. So when the Knight of Wands is coming up again, the Knight of Wands reminds you to listen, give it a try, go out there, give it an attempt, talk about it, work it out, allow yourself to play with ideas. Don't feel as though you have to have necessarily the thing, right? I've got the thing. No, Knight of Wands is like, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to see how this fire works. Let yourself play and be mindful because the Knight of Wands can also have a level of arrogance, but arrogance is a defense mechanism. Arrogance comes up when you're like, well, then it really won't hurt me. But remember, with the moon conjunct Chiron, your heart's allowed to be on the table too. It is anyway, so you might as well play it right. I love you guys so much. Venus did move into Cancer yesterday. I'm going to drop a video for that later, but I love you guys so much. Let your heart free. Let yourself just be all of who you are. You deserve it. Love you.